Sales spike at the end of the year, then tank in January and March. Every contractor sees this cycle, but most still act surprised when the slow season hits. Look, if you know it's coming, why aren't you planning for it? Why? Too many contractors, they wing it. No plan, no sales strategy. Then they wonder, where the heck did this crash come from? Here's how smart contractors use sales trends to win. Look back at your sales from the last 12 to 24 months. Spot your slowest and busiest months, okay? Don't just hope for leads in February. Create a marketing push before it dies down while you got momentum. During your high months, stack that cash. Why? Don't blow it. Use it to cover lean times and start pre-selling and booking jobs during the winter if you know spring's going to pop and slow down. And use these slow seasons to cross-train your crew, build systems, and get more efficient, okay? Look, you don't need to suffer through slow seasons anymore. Let's stop it. You just need a real plan built on real data. So you want help building one? Let's fix it once and for all before it costs you another winter of stress and more slow times. I'm Andrew Houston, and I'm here every Thursday with a new trading tip, and I will see you on the flip. If this video resonates with you at all, let's be real. You're working your ass off, but your bank account, it doesn't reflect it, right? Jobs keep piling up, the team's not stepping up, and no matter how many hours you put in, it still feels like you're treading water. Sound familiar? Listen, it doesn't have to be that way. I help contractors just like you take back control, make more money, and finally build a business that doesn't suck up all of your time in your life. And it all starts with a free 20-minute call. That's it. If you're tired of grinding with nothing to show for it, hit the link below, book a call, and let's fix this. Look, one step, that's all it takes sometimes to start turning this around. Let's make it happen.